Welcome to Tina's Timepieces. I'm Tina, and I just wanted to do a short video on pocket watches. And I have this one here. This is my personal pocket watch, so this will not be a giveaway. But this is a 1906 Waltham Seaside. I just really enjoy this watch. The style of this pocket watch is a hunter pocket watch because we have the winding stem to the side. If the winding stem were vertical, it would be an open face or lapine, but as I said, this one is to the right on the side, so it is a hunter. The other thing with the hunter pocket watch is this cover to protect it. What I like most about this particular pocket watch, and it is not running at this point in time, I do need to repair it, but my favorite thing is the movement. As I've stated, I find movements are very artistic, but I find this very artistic with all the designs on the movement, on the bridges. And this artistry is called demascening. Sometimes they'll call it perlage. That's more of a specific type where it's just little circles. But this is demascening. And demascening and perlage actually, besides being gorgeous, there is a purpose for it. It creates these microscopic lines where any dirt that would get inside the case and would go towards the movement would be collected inside these little microscopic lines and would not go into the inner workings. And so it was actually a safety measure for the movement. And it also does look gorgeous. But as I said, this is my favorite part of this watch. I just love looking at it. And soon it will be one of my projects to fix. Just wanted to take a few moments and share this gorgeous watch with you. As I said, this is a 1906 Waltham Seaside pocket watch. Please like and subscribe and comment. And also remember, when we reach 25 subscribers, I will have a giveaway for that Casio watch that was modified.